Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be on this smoky romantic makeup look, step by step, girl. This is perfect for date night, Valentine's Day, your anniversary. You can wear this even on the couch, eating some chips. If you don't already know, I upload every single week. Look out for a video every single week. Hey. And also don't forget to hit that bell button because I upload every single week, but it might not be every Monday or every Friday or every Wednesday. I got a hectic ass schedule, so click that bell notification and you will be notified when I upload. Let's get started. Oh my god, it's so freaking cold. I had to wear a jacket for this tutorial, but I will change right when I'm all finished up. I went ahead and did my brows and primed my eyes, so I'm gonna pick up my James Charles palette and pick up this shade right here. And I'm gonna start packing this all over my lid. I'm gonna go a little bit into my crease, which is okay because we're gonna blend this all out. We're gonna look crazy for a second, but I'm gonna pick up my Nice palette by Kylie Cosmetics and I'm going to go into this shade Holly right here and I'm gonna start blending this all out. Now to deepen up our lids, I'm gonna take the other side of the brush we use and I'm gonna go into Wonderland and I'm going to pack that right on top of our lid. Try not to go high. I'm just gonna lightly brush what we have on here, very lightly blend them together, and then we're gonna go in with a blending brush, but I'm just trying to get a little bit more pigment without overdoing it. And then with whatever we have on this brush, just start blending. Super easy, super romantic. And then going back into the James Charles palette, I'm gonna pick up this shade and mix it with this one. And I'm just going to add that on the outer corner of our lid. Go ahead and pop that on the end, just to warm it up a little bit. And then with whatever you have on the brush, just blend so there's no harsh lines. Now I'm gonna add some liner by Fenty Beauty. I'm gonna go ahead and camouflage where we're gonna have our lash line, just so the lash band doesn't show up. You know, that won't look so cute. Just like that, we got our lash line covered up. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes, pop on some lashes, finish up my face, and I'll be right back to give you guys the details. Alright guys, so I did the rest of my face. A little tweak I did is I picked up the two brown shades that I had in my outer corner and I just popped a little bit in the inner corner and then blended that into the crease just because I thought it was a little bit empty there, so I just added a little bit on the end and again just blend it into the crease and connect like a half moon. And then when I put my concealer, I made sure to keep it sharp and really wing out. It looks so nice. And now I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the look. With my pencil brush, I'm gonna pick up this shade that we originally put first and I'm going to smoke that underneath. By the way, if you guys were wondering, my lashes are the Samantha lashes by Huda Beauty. These are one of my favorites. I literally only wear this one from her whole line because they're just so perfect. They're like wispy and flare, so it works perfectly with literally any look. And then with an angled brush, I'm gonna pick up these two brown shades and just smoke out the lower lash line. Now I'm gonna pop some liner in my lash line and tight line. In the James Charles palette, I'm gonna pick up this shade right here. I don't know the names, sorry guys. I don't really roll with names too well. So just follow whatever I pick up. I'm gonna pop that right in the inner corner. That looks bomb! We can even add that in the brow bone just to match the highlight. Gonna go ahead and add mascara and wrap it up. Alright fam, for the lips, I'm gonna pick up my new Dose of Colors lip liner in Casual. I love this shade and it is so creamy. Oh my god, I love it so much. Dose of Colors, Anna, girl, so good, so fresh and so clean. And then I'm gonna pick up Clouds in My Coffee by MAC. And then I'm gonna top it off with Nymph Fit by MAC. I'm not really feeling this lipstick right now. Hold on. Okay, much better. That's it, we're done. And you are ready for date night. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this step-by-step tutorial. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course, don't forget to subscribe, stay up to date with all my latest videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.